Hi, good afternoon.
What's the event about?
This event is about alternate energies, and basically the session today was emerging technologies for a cleaner mobility. So it's a very exciting session, and I think the Honorable Prime Minister has already set the stage for India carbon neutral by 2070, and now the entire country, including all the OEMs and the government, are working towards achieving this dream of becoming a self-reliant economy. Auto industry, have since ages has always been launching technology products, whether it is the CNG, whether it is the electric vehicle, now going forward the flex fuel vehicle and also the hydrogen vehicle. I think these are the vehicles which will help us to safeguard our economy, reduce the import of the crude oil and ensure that whatever material or things we have in India, like the corn, like the sugar cane, they can be used to produce energy compliant vehicles. And I think that's where today we had a very interesting session in terms of the emerging trends in the global economies.
So, sir, after E20 has been rolled out recently. So, how is it going on? What's the success rate? And
Well, actually, I would first of all compliment the entire auto industry and the government of India for advancing the launch of E20 fuel. So from 1st April 2025, Pan India E20 compliant fuel has been launched across the country, and all auto OEMs, all cars, which is the petrol cars, are now compliant and fully compliant as far as E20 gasoline is concerned. We are now in the process of discussing with the government about the higher blends of ethanol. It could be E22, E27, E25 and going forward even E85, which is the flex fuel or the multi-fuel vehicle. So the government is working upon that. Oil marketing companies, the Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum are in touch, and I'm sure very soon we will also hear some announcements coming from the government towards higher blend of gasoline also. Not only this, in fact, Mr. Gadkari recently talked about even in diesel, isobutanol will be something which will be blended even to reduce our import of crude fuel, especially for the diesel purpose. So if that happens, it will be a double-edged sword and will be able to safeguard a lot of money as far as foreign exchange currency is concerned.
all right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure.